Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150. We're talking specifically about that generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, and if you need to find where the radio guys relay is located, which relay you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you do not waste your money. Complete video about that guys will be covered today, everything from start to finish. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll share all that for your convenience. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. We'll be making a video about every fuse, every relay on that Ford F-150. Why we do that guys? So we can save you time and money. Let's say you're stuck in the middle of the road and your fuel injectors or fuel pump fuse goes out. Without knowing guys how to replace it, where it's located, you may be stuck in the middle of nowhere. And if you watch our video, you will be able to find that fuse in less than a minute or two, replace it, and you will be back on the road. Now, another thing, every single car that we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. All these videos will be on our main YouTube channels guys. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers and 10,000 videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And something else guys, if you need to buy any fuses, any relays for your Ford F-150 guys, okay, you will have some special fuses, relays. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays, parts at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's continue now. So, if you're trying to find where the fuse for the radio is located guys, we'll demonstrate on a 2014 Ford F-150 right here. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working just one of them, and that fuse box is located on the inside of your Ford F-150. If you come on the passenger side, that's the footwell right here. You have a cover guys right here, that kick panel. Remove that kick panel right here, that plastic trim piece, and you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, if you're looking guys, okay, in that fuse box right here, you have one relay only here. Now that relay guys here, it's known as accessory delay relay. Practically when you turn the ignition switch off, okay, but you haven't locked your vehicle, it will let the radio and certain functions still be on. But once you lock it, okay, or a certain amount of time, it will be deactivated. But that relay actually controls the radio as well. If that relay is bad, your radio may not work as well guys. Check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.